Welcome to the Amazing Car News Channel.
Toyota appears to be retiring its tried-and-true 3.5-liter V6 engine. The 2023 Highlander 3-row SUV replaces the naturally aspirated engine with a new turbocharged 2.4-liter inline-four that produces 265 horsepower and 309 pound-feet of torque, a decrease of 30 horsepower but a gain of 46 pound-feet of torque over the V6. In terms of EPA ratings, Toyota believes that the four-cylinder will earn the same 24 miles per gallon combined as the V6. The new gas engine will once again be paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission in front or all-wheel drive. This engine is also used in the Lexus NX350, where it produces 275 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. The Highlander's towing capability will remain intact at 5,000 pounds. The Highlander's hybrid powertrain will remain unchanged for the 2018 model year, with the front-wheel drive variant expected to get the same EPA ratings of up to 36 miles per gallon combined. Other changes include a new 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster available on the limited and platinum trim levels. Power folding mirrors are now standard on all models, and power liftgates are standard on the XLE and XSE trims. The wireless smartphone charger has been relocated to a more practical location on the dashboard, and there are minor interior trim modifications as well as a new exterior color called Cypress. Toyota has yet to reveal price for the redesigned Highlander, but we expect it to be slightly more expensive than the 2022 model, which starts at $37,070 for the base L model and goes up to $51,175 for the Platinum. A new 265 horsepower turbocharged 2.4-liter inline-four engine powers the 2023 Toyota Highlander. The inside is likewise updated, with a bigger infotainment screen and optional digital instrument cluster. The 2023 Highlander is expected to go on sale later this year, with a modest price rise.
Thanks for watching.